This is Donna. You're watching Shalom on the Roam, and this is where I live. It's Percha Dam recreational area in southern New Mexico. And there's my home.
And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter.
Percha Dam recreation area in New Mexico. It's a state park. That right there is site number 1. Next one, number 2. This is as you come in the front gate. So next one there is number 3. I'm looking back at the first restroom there is, which happens to be closed at the moment. It's just a restroom. This one here is the second one you come to in the camp, and it has showers. The women's restroom has 2 toilet stalls and 2 showers. And then right across is site number 4 and site number 5. From what I know, I believe this is one of the ones that I called, and they said all of the electric sites are reservation only. So this other side is site number 30, so it probably goes on, here's site 6. It probably goes on numbering on the right side, and then as you come back down the other side, you can finish off the numbering. So that right by the speed sign looks to be site number 7. Next one, site number 8. This is the Friday of Easter weekend, so Good Friday. This next site here is number 9. As you can see, it's very full this weekend. I see that no one is presently in number 10. However, it does have a tag hanging on it, which means more than likely someone is on their way in. And they do, I think most of the reservation sites, probably not all, but most of them probably have this little rock surround on 2 sides. At least some of them do. I think I'm seeing some at the head that may not have that. And as you go on, this is site 11. Lined up 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 is empty at the moment, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So it's one big loop. As I said, this is Easter weekend, and I had looked and saw that all of the reservation sites were taken, and as I said, the electric sites are all by reservation only. All the rest of the sites is first come first serve, and they call it developed. In some of the places there are picnic tables, and the developed at the moment, this is 2024, is $10 per site. The reservation sites are $14 per site, but you have to reserve them online, which costs an extra $3 a night, or $4, 3 or 4, until you get to a $12 maximum. So after that 3rd or 4th night, then you're not paying the reservation fee anymore. But it's really hard unless you get reservations early in the season. It's very difficult to get 14 days straight, or anything including weekends, all at one site. And if you have to reserve 2 different sites, they consider that 2 different reservations. A recap here. Right now I'm looking at site 17, 18, 19 has that Class A in it, 20 has this trailer, fifth wheel in 21, van in 22, and we'll continue our walk. That's 23, 24, and 25. Hopefully you can kind of get an idea of the site sizes, and it looks like most of them you can pull through. So this empty site right now is site number 26. It's a pretty good sized one. Site 27, 28, 29 with the van, and site 30 with the Jayco. And after site 30, we're back around to the shower house. I'll show you that in a moment. We are coming into the women's restroom. There were people in there, so I couldn't really show you the shower stalls. Maybe I'll get those on another day. And now we're coming to the part that is considered the developed camping, which is, I imagine you could probably get some sites for $8 out there in that meadow that you see. Some of them would be $10. And swing around to the left side, and the ones over there also are $10. And so basically I'm standing on the road right now between, this is the developed camping, and then to your left over here is the reserved camping. There's the shower house right there. So the shower house is in good proximity to all of the camping. I don't know how many sites are in developed camping, and I don't know that you can get any for $8 a night, because the sign does say developed camping, $10 per night, and I don't see anything that allows for an $8 per night. But there is quite a bit, as you can see. You know, you've got this meadow, and then back behind the meadow there's another row back there, and then all the stuff on the loop that I'm on, which there's still a few sites open that nobody is parked in. It was fairly cleared out. You know, there were a few sites taken when we got in on Thursday, but today it has really filled in. I'll take you and show you the dam. Here's my unnumbered site with that white rig in it. Got my hammock up. I have a covered picnic table. So that's a nice little site. And then across from me is the dam. And I can hear it from my rig, which is something I enjoy. I enjoy hearing running water. I'll show you the dam a little closer up. Vault toilet on this loop that I'm on, and there's another shot of my rig from the other side. It's a beautiful little area.
I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about
Shalom, y'all.
it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh, and whenever it's a bad day, music is my